Hi, today I would like to introduce you to the Layout extension for MA2 Webremote. This extension is a JavaScript addition to the existing remote, providing you a layout page. I know most people, including me, prefers using a remote desktop or VNC on an home PC. But this is something else. I wrote this script to have access to layouts even when you don't have access to an home PC, just a console. Also, since all rendering is done in your browser, data transfer is smaller and remote control might even work when remote desktop or VNC lags badly. You can also use the extension to provide an easy-to-use interface or even an unattended kiosk-style installation. So although I know this is not a replacement to remote desktop and I would prefer to have access to that, you might also want to have this option in your toolbox. When you download the plugin, link in the description, you download an MA2 Lua plugin, which is the installer of the extension. This installer installs the necessary files to the console or home PC you are running the plugin on. This means that the installation is done on the software, not on the show file. Because of this, you will need to enter the 8-digit installation code which you received after you made your purchase. The installer will ask whether you would like to install to index.html or LayoutExt.html. If you choose index.html, the extension will be added to the homepage of the remote. Otherwise, you will need to append LayoutExt.html to the end of your IP address, and the homepage will not be touched. After opening the remote, you will notice the new menu item Layout. This will open the layout view. The technical background is basically this. All the layout data, image data, and group content is exported to XML files and downloaded from the console from time to time, meaning that not all changes are completely in sync. Sometimes you may need to push the refresh button. Fixture information and pool data are received from the remote channel, meaning it is always live. The catch here is that the extension cannot know color wheels, special colors, gobos, etc. Dimmer and RGBV data is 100% visualized. Groups also appear as they would in the console. If you set their visualization to field or spot, it will also display as a fixture now. You can use touch or mouse to navigate or select through the layouts. Use the middle mouse button to move the layout and the scroll wheel to zoom. The touch controls are pretty intuitive in my opinion. There are a lot of settings to this extension. First of all, you can set up auto login with a username and password and also select a page to load automatically. Also, you can show or hide different parts of the user interface. Then you can control which layout to show and whether to save the last viewport you have used. You can also disable certain functionalities like pan and zoom or selection. You also have access to an additional macro bar. This is now fixed to the bottom of the screen, but you can set up the amount of macros and the start ID. The Allow Assign Store Delete setting allows you to use the layout with these comments, enabling you to limited editing of the layout. For example, you can delete or store a fixture from a layout. Keep in mind that you need to click Save Default to save the settings, otherwise the settings are lost on page reload. There is also a full screen button for supported browsers. On iOS devices, you need to add the remote as a web app to the home screen to have it running full screen. So as you can see, this extension can be used in a lot of different ways. It works on Android, iPhone, iPad or any touch or non-touch browsers, even without an on-PC installation in session. I hope you find it useful for your own use case. Thanks for watching. Bye.